Hi, I'm Madison of Reliant Destinations and welcome today to this suite tour. Today we are in the Caribbean Beachfront 1-bedroom Butler suite with, of course, a Tranquility Soaking Tub in an amazing bathroom, which we'll show you in just a moment. You will want to know that this is room category or code 1B. Before we jump into this outstanding suite tour, make sure to have a look in that description below where you will find so much information about this resort and also so much more. Today we are at Sandals Grande St. Lucian, and if you're ready to look at this 1B suite tour with me, let's come and have an unedited raw look at this together. Let's go. Hey there, thanks for watching this video. If you're interested in booking this 1B suite at Sandals Grande St. Lucian or any other room or suite at any Sandals or Beaches resort, make sure to get in touch. Myself and my team at Reliant Destinations can make sure that you have the best deal on any room and suite, but most importantly, the best service with the world's #1 expert on Sandals and Beaches resorts. We can do a free hold on this room or any other, or to answer any questions you have, just get in touch at hello@reliantdestinations.com. You can also, of course, in that description below, find loads of information and further contact details. Now, thank you very much for stopping by. I hope to see you in a resort soon. Make sure to like and subscribe, and we will see you next time. Take care.